Hi, my name is Sharuk, and I'll be going through the reporting summary feature in Hawk AI. Now, our reporting summary feature is an area where you can actually combine all different metrics from your different platforms, from Google Analytics, GA4, and view your performance all within one view and create a report where you can share that link with different stakeholders, with your clients, or internally as well. It's very well designed here. We can see that we have multiple metrics already pulled in for this sample client. We've got our goal completions from Google Analytics. We've got custom metrics as well, where we've got all media spent from all of our channels. We have platform-specific metrics here as well, with conversion rate from Google Ads, as well as more custom metrics, say CPA for a specific campaign group. Um, you're able to now as well redrag these around and make that perfect view for yourself or for the client and view your data in an order that makes sense for your business or for your clients. What's really nice here as well is we've added a custom date range to, picker where you can look at data for your last 30 days, last month, or say if you are reporting, say, bi-weekly, you can select a 2-week time period as well and maybe use this report and take it into your next bi-weekly check-in meeting. We'll wait for this to load here as well. What you can do is select new metrics. So for example, if I want to pull in metrics for Microsoft Ads, I'll click on Microsoft Ads here and say I want to look at our ad clicks, our total conversions, and say our click-through rates as well, just for an example. Click on save and we're able to pull those in as well. They'll just show up here right on the bottom. You can reorder these based by dragging them around these different individual cards, or you can sort these by platforms as well. So now what we see is we have all of our GA universal analytics metrics all grouped into one, and you're able to look at performance for your website here. Scrolling down, we've got Google Ads and all the metrics for that platform. And here are the ones that we just added here: ad clicks, conversions, and CTR for Microsoft Ads. And then again, your custom metrics, and then your campaign groups down below as well. I really like using this view. It simplifies all my metrics and a really clean look. Again, you're able to actually look at different sizes for these different individual scorecards. So right now we've got kind of like the medium grid. You can look at more condensed, smaller. If you want to add in a lot of metrics in here, you can do that, or create larger, beautifully designed cards as well. They look really nice. Any changes you make, you just want to make sure you click on the save button here. It'll save that layout for you. Another great feature here is you can add notes for, say, these individual metrics. So for example, here we can see that, hey, Goal 11 doesn't really have any conversions. Maybe we're not optimizing for this anymore or for this month. We can just click on add a note, create yourself a note. So I can say Goal 11 is discontinued, and I can just click on save. I'll do a custom sort, and I'll drag that note that I just created here, and I'll put it right beside the goal 11 metric right down here, so that if I'm looking at my goal 11, nothing showing up here, I can see, okay, well, great, goal 11 was just discontinued, and that makes sense. So a note function is really helpful to create those context for different metrics, or you're able to just highlight any optimizations that you've made to explain any performance improvements as well. Let's say I want to, again, let's go back and group these based off of platforms. I want to share this off with a client. I can click on share. I've got 3 options here. I can create a shareable link. I can send this data to actually Google Data Studio, and or invite a team member to view this report. So I'll create that shareable link, and it'll pop up with a couple of options here. So one's giving me a little call that, hey, I have an unsaved layout settings. So I should just go back remember to click on the save button and go back and create that shareable link again. Down below here, what we've got is an option to whether or not I want to include those notes or not. So say some of those notes could be internally used within our agency, something that I don't want to share to a client. I can select this on and off. So for that, I'll select on. I'll let my client know that hey, goal 11 was discontinued, provide context for why that's 0, and then I can just click on this copy link, copied, and I can send that off to one of my clients. So I'll create a new tab. Your client doesn't need to have a pre-existing Morpheo account. You can just, they'll be able to view this by just visiting the link. Clients can actually download this as a PDF, and they'll be able to either print that out if they need to, or share again with their internal team as well. So whoever you share this link out to will then see that report based off the group that you did. So we did it based off of platform. And what's really nice is they're able to look at the data month over month and use that toggle to view your data year over year as well. This toggle is also in your reporting summary function within reporting summary as well. Just right over here as well. So reporting summary is really a powerful tool to look at, to create those reports, share it off to your team members, share it off to, say, your clients. You're able to pull in all the metrics from different integrations that you have from your campaign groups, custom metrics. So it's really powerful, a way of analyzing your data and sharing insights as well to your team members or your clients. We'll hope that you get a lot of use out of our reporting summary feature. And again, thank you for watching this demo walkthrough.